Item: SCP-1268. Code name: Mass Hysteria. Object Class: Safe Exequi. Special Containment Procedures: SCP-1268 is to be kept in a standard humanoid containment cell and fed regularly. The room is to be monitored by one guard at all times. In the event of a containment breach, security personnel are required to detain SCP-1268 alive if at all possible. However, if personnel deem SCP-1268 an imminent risk, they are permitted to dispose of it by any means necessary. Description: SCP-1268 is a human male of indeterminate race with brown eyes and black hair. While SCP-1268 is capable of basic motor functions and self-maintenance, it does not appear to be capable of communication, nor does it show signs of emotion or higher intelligence. It is currently believed to be non-sapient. However, it has demonstrated the ability to use stairs, door handles, and elevators. When left to its own devices, SCP-1268 will wander aimlessly until it is in proximity to a large group of people. In these situations, SCP-1268 will go into the crowd and slowly move through it. During this process, the behavior of those in the group will be altered in a predictable manner. 0 minutes to 2 minutes. No effects are visible. 2 minutes to 7 minutes. Persons in the crowd are visibly nervous, turning their heads frequently and moving more quickly than before SCP-1268 entered the crowd. 7 minutes to 14 minutes. Persons other than SCP-1268 begin to experience disorientation and confusion. Some will actively attempt to exit the crowd, although most will continue with whatever activities they were participating in. 14 minutes forward. Almost all persons in the crowd panic and attempt to leave the area by any means necessary. Subjects affected this way show a distinct lack of concern for the safety of themselves and others. Anomalous effects will cease after SCP-1268 is no longer in the crowd. The danger of SCP-1268 varies with group size, group density, accessibility of exits, and size of exits. On average, 30% of all persons in a group that has been affected by SCP-1268 will be killed from being trampled or from interpersonal violence. A further 35% will suffer injuries of various severity. SCP-1268 will remain unharmed. Addendum: a review of available footage has found that, when in a crowd for 14 minutes or more, SCP-1268 will exhibit a behavior that may or may not be laughter. Footnotes: 1. Due to the inherent expense of testing SCP-1268's capabilities, the exact group size and conditions necessary to trigger SCP-1268's anomalous effects is unknown. The phenomenon has been observed to occur in groups as small as 35.